Welcome everyone. I wanted to share this video because you might want to see it. So, some people are outraged that Epic Games would sue Apple. But the reality is, they asked nicely. They actually asked nicely. So this is from Tim Sweeney, the CEO of Epic Games, and of course, the creator of Fortnite. And he actually sent a very nice letter to Tim Cook, Phil, whatever he's called, Craig, Federici, and Matt, whatever. And this email essentially asks for two things. The first one is side loading to exist on iOS, which I can fully support. The second one is to reduce, if I would even say, no, he didn't even ask to reduce the actual percentage that, Apple takes from the App Store. He asked to allow competitor payment options. So you can use the Apple App Store directly, which is a 30% cut, or you can use Epic Direct Payments. Now, obviously, we know that Apple never listened to this, and instead Epic Games decided to sue them, because you know that. And you can see, because of the restrictions imposed by Apple, Epic is unable to provide customers with certain features for iOS apps. So the first one, competing payment processing options, and a competing Epic Games Store app. Now, what I don't get is through the iOS App Store, because, let's be real here. Apple aren't going to put competing app stores into the App Store. That's just stupid. But the option here through direct installation, that's fine by me. I understand that, but adding it through the App Store is like Apple would never do that. If side loading comes onto iOS, Apple are not adding side. They're not going to add an Epic Games app to the app, so that's ridiculous. But the other one where direct installation, you go to Epic Games site, that's something that I'd be down for. As you know, I run Tutorbox. I would love Tutorbox to be an easy install process. So you can see underlying operating system features for software installation and update as the iOS App Store app, including the ability to install and update software seamlessly as the iOS App Store experience. Now, this is basically why they should do this, and if they agree, they'll help out. And what we forgot to say is, if you I'll write the paragraph for you. If you don't agree, we will be suing you. We'll be launching the entire ad campaign for our 12-year-olds to spam free Fortnite. And obviously, Apple didn't listen. I think Epic Games should have threatened a lawsuit right there and then, because maybe, obviously this is Apple, but maybe things would have been different. You can see Epic Games had the entire lawsuit ready. They did it. And hopefully, if we don't get an App Store cut, hopefully side loading comes onto iOS by a court order. That will be so good, because then Tutorbox can actually be great again. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.